All right, so now we're going to graph it. The first one, y equals 7/8 x plus 4. Starting at the origin, where does it cross the y-axis?
Positive 4.
4. And our slope is 7/8. Slope is easy and fun, it's just rise over run. So we rise at 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh no, we're out of graph. How would we graph it? How can you make a positive number out of a fraction without being positive? Negative over a negative is also a positive number. So let's go down 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then go -7, because that would be a negative over a negative 8, excuse me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 would be exactly the same as going +7 and +8. So the first equation's line is not that way. I went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The first equation's line is this. Why did I know it was wrong? Do you know how I knew it was wrong? Because I had a negative slope. It was going downhill. I looked at it, I saw it had a negative slope, and I realized I'd gone the wrong direction. So I recounted it negative. So when I went down, and then I went positive. I should have gone negative. And so when I glanced at the line, I went to draw it. I said, oh, wait, that's a negative slope. I need a positive slope, so I recounted. Always double check yourself so you know what you're looking at. Does that make sense? All right, the other line, and I make mistakes all the time. So I try to learn from them. Sometimes not so much. Okay, the other line is y equals -1/8 x minus 4. Where do we start? We start counting from the origin.
-4.
Go down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's where it crosses the y-axis. Our slope is -1/8 or -8/1. Doesn't matter which. Or -1/8 or +1/8. So let's start with -1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or +1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Draw the line, and you guys can use your IDs for straight lines. They're not any bigger than your IDs. That is, unless your ID is falling apart. What's the point of a system? To find the what?
To find
the point of intersection. So what we have here, x comes first, -8, and y comes second, -3. So we have quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4, and our answer is -8, -3. It happens to fall in quadrant 3, negative.